Hello, beautiful people. Nikea here. So I am going to be doing a Christmas decor haul with you all today. So yeah, let's get right into it. Before we do, this dress is from Signed Blake x Amazon The Drop. This is from her second collection. She's done so many. This is from her second collection. And there might be a few more left on Amazon. Yeah, and I'm just wearing it with a crop top because it's cold. So I just wore this underneath to add some layers and some color. So yeah, the last year for Christmas, I picked some colors. So I did pink and a champagne silvery gold with white. So this year I went into pOpshelf and they had this beautiful green color. And I was like, yes, I'm doing green and white and gold with some earthy tan tones as well. So I have 4 bags from pOpshelf. I do have some items from Amazon, and I think that's it. Amazon and pOpshelf. I think those are the only places. Okay. So if you watch my Vlogtober videos, I already have my door hanger, so I'll have to make a new bow to go up there. So I do have some green ribbon that I purchased back in October. So I need to make, Christmas attachment, but that's all for that. All right, so we have this piece here. It says Joy and Peace. I think Harper actually picked this out. That's why I got it. So this is it's a darker green tone. What inspired me was like the lighter green, and I'll show y'all that. This wooden snowflake. And I love how pOpshelf has everything just segmented off. They have colors and themes going on. Then I have this door hanger. So it's more of this like light mint green. I don't know if it's really mint though. It's just a lighter green. And this, what is this? Plant hat pots here. So it's more of these colors right here, very earthy. All right, next piece. Have this potted, what is this? This is floral, what is like a little milk jug thing? Yeah. And most of this stuff is to decorate the fireplace. So I got this letters to Santa mailbox. These are really the colors. This mint green. This is a mint, this is not mint. I don't know what color green this is.
It's a minty.
We have this snowman. I feel like I bought this twice. But it lights up as well. There you go. Lights up. Okay. So this year for Christmas, I also got some stuff for the kitchen. They didn't have just green stuff, but they have some mini oven mitts that had the green and the cream.
It looks like a puppet.
So this is not just for decoration, it's also for function. So that, and then the kitchen towels. And then of course, you can't have decor without having the proper scent. So this is peppermint scented hand soap, and this is winter forest. So, to go with the theme. I'm trying to decorate all around. And then I also have, this one is vanilla almond. Then I have this blanket this little throw to go inside of a basket that I'm going to put on the fireplace. All right, have some pillows. This one says Noel. So this is bringing in those cream earth tones. And our couch is gray, so I guess we can kind of do almost anything with it. But I just want everything to be kind of consistent. Our den area where I'm decorating is kind of actually cool toned. So hopefully this doesn't throw it off too much. Thank you, Harper.
Welcome, Mama.
So this piece has already been sitting out. This is a Christmas countdown. So this comes with this. I'll probably put this in the entryway because I have several areas that we decorate. So we have the entryway, the mantle in the living room, a little bit in the living room, the table. Gonna do a little bit in the kitchen, as you can see. And then the den is like the main area because that's where we spend a lot of our time. So I got this tray that says Merry Christmas. It's gold, and this will probably go on the table in the den and sit candles up here. And I think this is full of candles. So I decided to bring the decor bring scents into the decor as well. So we have this candle. It's called Wild Eucalyptus. And this is called I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas Winter Air. And it has the natural colored lid. And then the jar matches. So I looked for candles that match my colors as well as scents that I like. Candy cane.
Let me smell it.
And I have a vase. It's like tinted green. You can see a little bit with the snowflakes. And this one is called Vanilla Bark, another candle. Also bought this candle holder, which I need to get a candle stick to put in there, but it matched the color, so yeah. All right, here is my tree skirt. It says Merry Christmas, and it has the perfect colors. And then I got some ornaments. We have these snowflakes here. And I am gonna be repurposing some ornaments from last year. And then I bought this set. I'm not gonna use the pink ones. You know, I can't have pink and green together because I'm a Delta, like, period. So I'm gonna use the white and the green out of here.
Why?
And there's some gold in there. Then I have this tabletop decor. You know, I'm trying to, you know, decorate my tabletops and not be so like just focused on the holiday Christmassy type stuff, but something that I could live with every day, and even some stuff I may leave out after Christmas time. All right, and I have this, what is this? Oh, this is a little lantern. Again, some more tabletop decor. I also got these Christmas tree candles, Christmas tree shaped candles. This one is greenish, whitish. There's another one in here. And then we have this green one, and then this cream one. So those three. I probably won't like these. Oh, I found these picture frames. I thought this would be cute to style the table with, that little tray. So I'll probably put candles up there and a few other items. So I just thought these frames were really cute for my wreath or my door hanger. Got some ornaments to match the colors. Little like gift tag ornaments. And these were only $1. These are huge. Tones. And this says, we wish you a merry bright holiday. Again, the wood. A little rustic, a little modern. And this one says, be merry. This came from my first Christmas haul. And then I have these candy cane ornaments. You know, I like to have a variety of sizes, big ornaments, small ornaments. We have these ballerinas, which are gold, and they also have a little bit of green glitter. And then we have these pine cones, and each of these came with 2 on it, and they were $1. These antlers. Here are these little doves.
No, they're birds.
And I think I'm gonna spray these with some clear spray paint just to seal in that glitter, because we don't want that all over the house. And then I just got some holiday picks of florals. I have some of these from last year, so I just grabbed one. And these are going to be for the door, the welcome sign. So I have this, then I have this one with the bulbs, and then we have this one right here. And so this one is just to bring in a little bit of the gold. And this I got on a separate visit, but it said jingle, and I thought it'd be cute. Also put some pieces on our bookshelves downstairs. Oh, this pillow that says, oh, believe. Oh, this even looks cute with this yellow up here. I'm gonna put this pillow up here. This is cute. All right, we have penguins. Oh yes, I forgot. I got these mugs. I thought they were so cute. And the way they had them styled at the store, I could set them out for decoration, or even the little cocoa station by the Keurig. You can decorate that. I was smelling it before it came out. This is called Sugar Cookie and Spice. My husband's gonna like this. And I love the jar that it came in. Like, once this melts, I'm gonna keep this. This is nice. And this one is kind of green. This one is balsam and myrrh. So it's similar to that other candle. Definitely keep this. Amazon, just one thing. Ooh, I needed some more green bulbs, so I got this set right here. I'm like, what? I got this basket to put on the fireplace, and I want to put that blanket in here, you know, kind of style the fireplace a little bit.
Here.
And these candles came from Five Below. This one is maple brioche. Only thing is these are a single wick, but they smell so good.
Let me smell.
I need the candles. I tried to buy a lot of candles because we put some in the entryway, in the living room, and also in the den. Sometimes there's some in the kitchen. This one is pine and eucalyptus. I already smelled these, y'all, but I like to smell them again. You know, it's green. Now, these ones, you know, don't necessarily match the colors, but I can take the wrappers off. This one's brown. And then we have peppermint. Oh, candied cinnamon with notes of ground nutmeg. This is candied cinnamon with notes of ground nutmeg, cinnamon swirl, and clove. So that is my Christmas decor haul. I'm not gonna decorate in this video because it's not Thanksgiving yet, and I wanted to wait and still give my fall decor some time to, you know, have its moment. But as soon as we come back in town from Thanksgiving, baby, it's on. So make sure you are subscribed so you can know when my decoration when my decorating video posts, so you can see how I turn this house into my white and green winter wonderland for Christmas 2022. And I already have my idea for what I'm gonna do for next Christmas. Next Christmas, we're doing bright, colorful, funky Christmas. It's gonna be amazing. But thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one.
Bye.
Did y'all understand that? I'll be sure to see you in the next one. All right, bye.